Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Huawei Nova 9 SE. Firstly, open your phone application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got 4 dots, so tap it and choose blocked. And here tap the top right corner one more time and choose block list option. And here I've got 2 blocked numbers, so for unblocking, for example, this last one, click and hold and select, for example, this or to these numbers. And on the bottom we got remove, tap it. Select numbers will be removed from the block list, tap remove. And that's it, now we unblocked these 2 numbers. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.